merely slipped a new package into your...
Most human beings only use 10% of their brain's capacity. Imagine if we could access 100%, interesting things begin to happen. Yes?
Professor Norman, my name's Lucy. I just read all your research on the human brain. It's a little rudimentary, but you're on the right track.
Thank you.
I have access to 28% of my cerebral capacity. I can feel every living thing.
Since when did you start writing Chinese?
Since an hour ago.
What happens when she reaches 100%?
I have no idea.
All this knowledge, you can unlock secrets that go beyond our universe. I'm not even sure that mankind is ready for it.
It's like all things that make me human are fading away.
One day I'll remember. Remember everything that happened. The good, the bad. Those who survived, and those that did not.
Home is behind, the world ahead, and there are many paths to tread, through shadow to the edge of night.
John, wake up.
What's that?
Next door, I heard a scream.
Stay here, come and check it out. How did we end up here? In this dump? You were a movie star, remember? What we're capable of.
Why don't you get your wings and your bird suit? Oh. One thing you can still get into, Angela.
As Marconi moved to test up, she's getting a mammogram tomorrow.
Did you say mammogram? Yeah, and how'd you make it sound so hot?
Mammogram. Hi, Rob.
That is nice.
Just throw the sheets in the water.
I wake up back in my room, then my mom comes in. You gotta... Oops. Arrest that move!
They're unpredictable.
What is happening to my body?
It's called dancing.
Oh no! My hands are in the air like I just do not care.
In their journey around the world.
My turn for driving. Keys, please.
You are a terrible driver.
Unforgettable.
Look! I has found our car.
Are you trying to drive me crazy?
DreamWorks Home.
We are a hot mess.
Are you angry?
So angry.
You need to break something.
You gave me it forever.